So, greetings. It's a great day. Today's Sunday, August 10th. This is the fit. It means we're doing something. You got this on? I'm going to work on my bike. Clutch plates have been soaking in oil for a day now. Just get the maximum soakage. Never gonna say that again. Excuse me. So all my tools are in here. Where are my Allen keys? Ow. I might have to borrow Skylar's Allen keys because I don't know where they're at. Socket set. My whole bag of hand tools here. Oil pan. I might need to take the wagon down. There's a lot of stuff. Ninja 650 starter. Ninja 650 throttle body. I have a Ninja 650 that needs to be basically completely built. We'll see what happens. Hopefully that's all I'll need for now. Ow, my knee needs to pop. Steel plates, shop towels. Found some Allen wrenches using Skylar's. Sorry, bro. Bucket of oil and friction plates. I don't know if this is all gonna fit. Oh yeah, if I'm gonna change the oil, I probably need oil filters too, huh? Should be good. We're good to go. Shut up. All right, now let's go. Time for an adventure. Now, you may be wondering, what bike do you have? Ah, shit. We gotta go back. 2017 Kawasaki Z900. I just gotta grab some stuff real quick. So now, like we were saying, Z900 ABS. It's pretty quick. I burned the clutch out a couple months ago. We're here. Yeah, so I burned the clutch out on the freeway. Might get some pull shots here. Oh, looks like somebody barfed over there. Dope. Hey, don't be looking at my butt either. Here's my 2017 Z900. The clutch is on this side, so I'm gonna rotate the bike a little bit. She's not the fastest bike out there, but she's pretty quick, I'm not gonna lie. There's spider webs all over now that I'm looking at it. Freaking spider. Oh, looks like somebody tried breaking in here. Okay, cool. Let's hope the battery's not dead. She lives! So very loud, insanely loud. You probably can't hear a word I'm saying. Why is the turn signal on? Okay, we're good. We're good. Let's not get too warm while the freaking, I gotta change the oil. Yeah, so this SC Project exhaust I got for my birthday from the guys from the California trip and a couple of other close friends of mine, which I am very grateful for. Thank you guys for that fantastic birthday gift. But yeah, no, it sounds great. When I got the bike, it had the Cat and a Two Brothers muffler, just slip on. And it sounded good, but it's very quiet, very minimal. There's also no baffle in this thing, so it's just pretty much straight piped. I mean, it's not straight piped. This exhaust is EPA compliant. This bike is kind of heavy. It's not super heavy, but it's pretty heavy. I'm gonna drain the oil, take the filter out, put a new filter in. I'm gonna let this oil drain for probably about 10 minutes. Then undo this clutch cable, this clutch assembly here, and then take all these bolts out, pull this cover off, the clutch cover. Then we have to loosen the three clutch springs, and take those out, take the primary clutch plate out. From there, all the friction plates should be accessible, and I can just peel all those out. So I'm gonna pull hopefully all of them out, or one at a time, and just hang it right here on the peg, and slap them in there the way that they come out. And they all have to be facing the same way, otherwise I'll explode the bike. So don't want to do that. And then yeah, fill it back with oil and it should be not too crazy. And then reattach the clutch cable, should be good to go. So I found the right socket that goes for the oil drain plug. So I am doing that now. I would do it zoomed in and close, but then I'd have to move the camera. I don't want to do that, if I'm being honest with you, brother, but I gotta get down here. There is zero room underneath this bike also, so do I got this thing on the right way? Oh, no, that's tightening. We don't want to do that. Make it loose. Get this little pan here. Oh, you know what? Before I open that up all the way and get oil everywhere, I better get some rags, because that would be a mistake. Luckily, this John at Harbor Freight comes with 50. But let's drain the oil out this John. Oh, camera battery's gonna die soon, so I better hurry. There's a spider crawling towards me. Hurry. I got oil all over my hand. Bummer, brother. Why is it not going into the, okay, there we go. It was almost real scary there. Hey, little spider. Get your ass on out of here, boy. All right, I will grab the camera so that way you guys can see, I guess. But let me take the oil filter off first. See if I can do it without burning myself or breaking my hand. If my hand even fits in here. Ouch, shoot. Oh, cooked. We may have a problem here. Let's get up in here. Oh no, my freaking sleeve got in the oil. Oh. Okay, so we may have a problem here. I have oil all over me. Yeah, kind of. Not really. So that bolt goes inside of that hole over there that's draining. Essentially, here's what's gonna have to happen. Clutch linkage needs to be disassembled really quickly. Then I can unbolt all these bolts, take the 3 springs out because there's 3 bolts holding the springs in place. Then take the main plate out. Once the main plate is out, all the friction plates and the steel plates are gonna be back to back to back to back. Pull all those out in the same order, hang them right here. Put the new ones in the same way that the old ones were already in. Doesn't make a lot of sense, but it's very finicky. You have to put them in the same, facing the same direction, and they have to be in the same order. Been here fighting with this oil filter. Typically an oil filter, you should just be able to twist right off, you know, with your hands. This is what we're dealing with right here. But then Mr. Screwdriver got involved a couple of times, and Mr. Vice Grip decided to get involved. So now I'm gonna go grab me a pair of ridiculously large channel locks. And if those don't do the job, then I'm cooked. So, phone flashlight here, you know, regular size channel locks. So hopefully these work. Okay. Okay, that's dope. Oh, jeez. Okay. Let's look at the aftermath here. There's a stab right there, stab right up here. Like, stab the screwdriver in and then bend it so that way it rotate, but it didn't do that. Slap the old oil drain plug back on and the new filter on, and then we should be good to swap the clutch out. I gotta hurry, it's like 7:30. You gotta put a little bead of new oil. Drain plug plugged. New oil filter is on. So on the video made it seem a lot easier. Well, unfortunately, it's my bedtime. I gotta go to work early in the morning, and I don't got time to keep messing around with this. So I got the clutch linkage disconnected. But yeah, unfortunately it's like 10:30 and I have to wake up at like 5:30. So yeah, I gotta go to bed. We're gonna have to continue this another day. That's all I gotta say.